Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. So today I am unboxing a beauty box, and it's a mystery one at that. So I bought a eBay beauty mystery box, and I'm just gonna say this now, disclaimer, don't do it, okay? I don't care how many of these videos you see that people are opening really good ones. It is like 1 out of every 30 that open good ones. So I mean, unless you have the money to spend, don't do it. Okay, so if you guys want to see what I got in my beauty box, then just keep watching this video. But I really don't have much to say about this because I don't want to give nothing away. So if you are new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. That'd be much appreciated. And if you guys like this kind of videos, make sure you go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump on into this video. Alright guys, so I am not wearing any makeup, only because if there is makeup in these boxes, I do want to try it. I probably won't do like it on camera, but I will play with it. Let's just hope there is, and I didn't just waste $200 on trash, because I've seen a lot of these videos that have been trash. I have 2 boxes. I'm going to show you this side of it. What's promising is it comes in a Sephora box, so like I said, fingers crossed. And then this one, I'm gonna show you this side of it. This box is super beat up, like, it's like they just taped the crap out of it. This scares me because I don't know what's what, but I'm thinking this might be the $10 box, but then again, it's so heavy. So I don't know. I have no idea. Like, this one's heavy, and this one, like, you can hear stuff moving around. It's pretty light. Like, it comes in a Sephora box, like I said. I'm trying not to show my address. So I'm gonna actually just open the Sephora box first, because that is the one that I'm like most anticipating. So I'm gonna just open this with my tweezers, if this works. Practice safety, kids. Get an adult. Alright, so I'm not gonna look in it at all, okay? So, sneak peek. Well, some just fell out, so let's see what it is. Okay, so it's a sample. This is a Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. It's a sample. Can somebody please tell me if that's really for your butt? Alright, so I've got another sample here. This is the Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion Ultra Longwear Concealer. 3 shades. Like, they didn't even take them out of the bag. I've got some Urban Decay Primer Potion samples. How old is this? Oh, there's 4 of them in here. More samples. La Roche-Posay Double Repair Moisturizer. M.O.R.E City Skin Age Defense Broad Spectrum Mineral Sunscreen. Becca, I Want a Dewy Glow Shimmering Skin Perfector Liquid Highlighter. Let me just open this. Most of the time, like, I don't even open the samples I get, so, like, I literally just throw them in a drawer. I have so many samples, it's unreal. Okay, there's 3 in here. Let me just go through these real quick, okay? More samples. So, Body Prescriptions Makeup Removing Wipe, Frizz Ease Hair Serum, Lorac Perfection Concealer in PC3 Golden Light, PC5 Medium, NARS Liquid Blush, Clinique A Surge of Supercharged Hydration, Moisture Surge. I love this stuff. Freaking love this stuff. It's actually what moisturizer I put on my face and it feels so soft. Okay, and then the other thing that I pulled out was a Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive with aloe. Oh, this is black. Actually, I needed some new lash glue, so thank you. Okay, I'm feeling stuff in here. They're samples, but I guess it's better than like legit samples, because this is like deluxe samples, you know what I mean? So this is the Ole Henriksen Nurture Hydra Clay Detox Mask. I'm not mad at that. I've only tried one thing from that line and I really like it. This is so cute. So this is the Clinique Pep Start Eye Cream. Okay. Okay, and then there's Real Chemistry Fresh Start Foaming Cleanser. I like trying new cleansers, but I'm like really dead set on my M.O.R.E one. Okay, so another little guy. This is a Makeup Forever Artist Rouge Matte in the color M401. Spit it out, Lacey. Spit it out. It's your typical red. Pretty color. Alright, so I'm at the bottom of this box and I'm pulling out one last thing, and it is Maskology. I like Maskology masks. And then, well, this is three masks. Alright, let me clean this up real quick and we'll move on to box number 2. So for that box, I'm gonna just say, like, I'm not gonna complain about it, because for the whole like $20 I spent on that box, I mean, I think I got my money's worth. Just alone with the lash glue, the masks, like, that was fine by me. It's a bunch of samples I'm probably never gonna use. So I'm taking it that was the $10 box, and if not, I'm gonna be really kind of upset. So let's move on to, let me not show my address, this box. And I'm just going to stab the top, like, literally, it's a recycled box. And I'm not gonna lie, because I've done that with my giveaway stuff. I've recycled boxes, but yo, not when they were this messed up. We're in. And this is what I see. Alright, it's gonna be hard not to look in this box, because this one is stuffed to the brim of stuff, okay? So let me just say right now, I'm excited. The first thing I'm pulling out is these Pure Cosmetics sponges. I wanted to try these for a while. Oh, that one's got like, I don't know if you guys can see that on camera, but there's like little holes in it right here. Oh, I don't think they're used. They don't look used. Yeah, that's the way to figure it out. Smell it. I mean, regardless, these are really cool. This is 3 pieces too. So I see something right here in bubble wrap and I'm dying to open it. I'm speechless. So let me just show you. Let me just show you what this is, okay? Can you see that name? It's Becca. This is the Hydra Mist Set and Refresh Powder. I have been watching video after video on this, debating whether I wanted to buy it so I could try it for you guys, because this has intrigued me forever. I am definitely putting this on my face. Even if it's used, I'm putting it on my face. There's not even a fingerprint on this. This is brand new. Brand new, guys. Oh my gosh. If they would have just sent me these things, I would have been okay, but this box is still half full. You guys. Is this real? Is this real? Is this a fake? Can you fake this stuff? Because, like, if this is all fakes, I'm still not even mad. You guys, I'm pretty sure this is real. I took the brush out. I have wanted this so bad, even after all the crap everybody has said about it. These colors speak to me, especially this shade right here, Sphere. Oh my gosh. Okay, so next we have, look at this. We have the Stila Glow on the Go Glitter and Liquid Eyeshadow Set. Let's move on. I'm saving this for last. You don't even... I can't believe this. I have to save that. Please hold while I don't contain my excitement. Okay, what else is in here? Oh, another one! This is another Stila Shimmer and Glow eyeshadow. And this one is, ooh, this one is in Freedom. This is gonna be good. I love bright colors, and you guys know I do. Well, okay. Ooh, so pretty. I'm a real pretty girl now, guys. Look, you can tell this brush has been in here for a while. So I'm thinking like I got some of their old BoxyCharm stuff that they didn't want. I mean, if BoxyCharm sent all this stuff, I would be... Okay, so this is a Beauty Basics brush. It says Contour Blush. It says Contour Blush, not brush, contour. I don't know. Anyway, let me just not speak on that. So this just reminds me of a really cheap little brush. I ain't mad though. I mean, this box is well over $200. After you see the last thing, you're gonna shit like I did. Okay, moving right along, because I'm gonna have to change my battery in a minute. Okay, so I feel a little box and I feel a big box that takes up like the whole bottom of this box. I got a box inside of a box inside of a box. Okay, so I'm gonna pull out this, and it is, no. So it's a foundation. It is a fucking Huda Beauty foundation. And it is in the color 140G Cashew. So, I don't know, this could potentially match me. If not, we gonna wear it anyway. Hey guys, so you're probably wondering what the hell? You're probably wondering why I am in different clothes, different makeup, and why my makeup is so crazy. Everything is different. But that is because my microphone just decided to quit working on me when I got down to the last two products. So anyway, the last two products that I got were, one being the Too Faced Sex on the Peach kit. This is sold out at Sephora, so like I was so excited. I was excited about everything that I got, but like there were some things in particular that I was just like, what? Because I was gonna buy this, and it was sold out on Sephora, so I was like, yeah. But anyway, this comes with the Peach Perfect setting powder, a full size Better Than Sex mascara, a like deluxe primer, cooling matte skin perfecting primer, and then a like deluxe size Too Faced Peach Mist, which the only thing I haven't used in here so far is the primer, because I usually don't typically go for matte stuff. So okay, and so the last thing that I had that I was like holding from you guys and that I was so excited about is sitting right here, and I have non-stopped used this since I got it, and I'm just so happy about it, and I really wanted this product. So this box is so amazing. Like, I can't believe this happened. So but anyway, this is the Tatcha the Silk Canvas Primer. I could not believe this. This is $52, y'all. Like, I thought this was some kind of joke. I've never had anything from this brand, and I was like, no way can I afford that. So yes, it is the primer, and it is a full size. Like, it is the $52 one, because I guess they're selling like sample, or not sample, but like deluxe size ones for $20 or $22 on Sephora. Okay, so I want to say this as I put this aside. I don't recommend buying a mystery box off eBay. I did it because, you know, I wanted to really see what happens. Like, I wanted to see if you really got mystery boxes and if it was really trash, because I've seen a lot of people get trash and dirty clothes and just pretty much scammed out of their money. So I don't suggest it. I got really lucky, but I also did a lot of like following and research and reviews. I followed the person that I bought from, both people that I bought from, for a little while and checked out their reviews to see if their reviews had changed at all within like a month period. So I did a lot of research before I actually bought this. I just want to tell you guys, like, is the risk really worth it? Like, ask yourself that before you buy. I know this got real serious and real deep real quick, but I want you guys to know that there is a huge risk when buying this. You don't know what could be in these boxes. And I did take the huge risk, and I also spoke to the person I live with, and we really discussed this before I actually purchased it. Okay, so just know that. And I just wanted to throw this realness in there, because there's a lot of these floating around, and a lot of people just leave it at, oh, I got shit in my box, or wow, I can't believe I got this. But I just want you guys to know that it is very dangerous, it is risky to buy, so just know you don't know the other person that you are buying from. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and like I said, I am very grateful and very blessed and so excited about the products that I got. So if I knew that you guys would definitely get these kind of products, I would recommend this. But as I said before, you never know what you're getting. So if you are going to do this, please make sure you research the crap out of the box that you want. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and with that, I'm just gonna go. So that's all I have for today, and I will see you guys in the next video, and this look will look familiar in the next video, so don't be like, bitch, you look crazy. Anyways, with that, I'll see you guys. Bye!